Are you looking for the best Bluetooth speakers? In this video we will look at some of the best Bluetooth speakers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JBL Flip 7. Compromise isn't great for your principles, but it's essential for portable Bluetooth speakers. JBL's Flip strikes the perfect compromise between mobility and sound quality, offering clean detail with plenty of punch in a durable, droppable, and utterly portable package. The Flip 7, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, provides new goodies like increased water resistance, an easy release strap, and a 2-hour battery boost, or 4 with reduced bass. The latest Flip also supports Auracast to sync with other new JBL models like the Clip 5 and Charge 6. Auracast may provide future connectivity benefits, but it leaves the latest speakers unable to connect with older ones, so if you already have a family of older JBLs, it may make more sense to go with the JBL Flip 6. Otherwise, the Flip 7 is a killer speaker that happily tags along on virtually any adventure you can handle. Number 2. Sonos Roam 2. The larger Sonos speakers are great if you want a speaker that usually lives inside, but they aren't the kind of thing you'd want to throw in a backpack. That's where the Roam 2 comes in, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends. This tiny tube has all the same smarts as its bigger Sonos siblings, but with an IP67 dust and water resistance rating and 10 hours of listening time, letting you move from your living room to the great outdoors. It's about the size of a 16-ounce beer can and easily fits in cup holders and knapsacks alike. Sonos recently updated it with easier Bluetooth pairing via a dedicated button. Number 3. Tribit StormBox Mini Plus. This little speaker from called the StormBox Mini Plus, 8/10, Wired recommends, is one of our new affordable favorites. It boasts bold low end, and can be easily paired in stereo for a multi-channel listening experience. They're a nice shape, and I like that they have multicolored lights on top for when you need a little vibe. I took it camping and had a great time pairing two of these $50 speakers together for a full campsite musical experience. They're nice for surrounding you with sound at a reasonable, not annoying to neighbors, volume. Number 4. Tribit StormBox 2. Tribit's line of Bluetooth speakers sound a lot better than they should for the price. The StormBox is our favorite line. The new StormBox 2, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, is largely the same as the original model, with dual-firing drivers and passive radiators in a 7-inch long pill shape, but now it comes with upgraded controls and about 6 watts more output, up to 30 watts from 24. No, it can't fuel a trance dance party on its own, but its clarity is impressive, and it has a fun extra bass button that adds some surprising, if slightly muddy, thump. Its long battery life and robust design makes it a great companion for backyard tunes, a trip down the river, or other informal gatherings. Number 5. Bose Soundlink Plus. Never underestimate the middle child. Set between the plucky Soundlink Flex and beefy Soundlink Max, Bose's midsize Soundlink Plus, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, offers impressive performance in a posh yet robust frame. You'll find full and clear sound thanks to its articulate tweeter and punchy woofer backed by 4 passive bass radiators, along with convenient controls and stylish color options like the Certus Yellow model I reviewed. Extras like a removable battery, from Bose, and the ability to charge other devices sweeten the deal, though in true Bose fashion, the price is as premium as the vibe. Number 6. Beats Pill. Apple's latest Beats Pill, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, loads up on features to make it surprisingly versatile. Quick one-touch pairing for iOS and Android devices make it great for mixed phone homes, while old-school callbacks like a built-in speakerphone and the ability to charge other devices can come in handy. Beats didn't stop there, offering massive playtime, great dust and water resistance, and the ability to play lossless audio over USB-C with supported devices. New drivers provide the slick treble and hefty bass you expect from Beats, but with a refined clarity and punctual definition. The design isn't quite as robust as our top pick, but if you're looking for big, polished sound and plenty of extras, the Pill delivers it in a posh package. Number 7. Tribit StormBox Blast 2. I love the portable boombox renaissance from speakers like the JBL Boombox 3 and Sony's SRS XG500, but there's one problem: they're really expensive. As it's wont to do, Tribit found a way to deliver the style, portability, and satisfyingly potent sound of those bigger brands at a fraction of the cost. The brand's latest Bluetooth bomber is raucously loud and tons of fun, living up to its name on multiple fronts. Cranking the speaker revealed booming bass alongside clear instruments and vocals for a clean and powerful performance that had my friends and neighbors marveling at outdoor hangs and barbecues. The bass boost and fully customizable onboard lights take things up a notch, though battery life takes a hit. There's even a pair of controllable mic inputs for a breakout karaoke night, mics not included. It all adds up to a brilliant portable party speaker, though its weight of around 16 pounds will really work those biceps.